Magandang araw po sa inyo, my subscribers, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and FWs, Overseas Filipino Workers. So our video for today regarding to the balikatan or shoulder to shoulder balikatan of Armed Forces of the Philippines with the United States Armed Forces. So dito po ay na-highlight lang natin yung Philippine Army highlights performance of its Spider system during a joint air and missile defense exercise with the US. So ina-update ko lang kayo sa update ng Armed Forces regarding sa activities nila ng Balikatan 40-2025. So, basahin po natin ang update ng Armed Forces ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. On April 27, 2025, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AP, and the United States conducted a joint integrated air and missile defense training at Naval Education in Zambales as a part of exercise Balikatan 40-2025. The event highlighted the operational use of the system, contributing to the coordinated response capabilities of both nations against territorial, regional, aerial threats. So, may post po natin dyan kung anong klaseng missile po yung ginamit. Yung po Israel-made po yan, Rafael, yung Spider. So, mamaya natin i-experience nyo ang characteristic niyan. So, ito kasama nilang US pagti-training nito kung paano. So nakapost ang picture. Mobile po siya, pwedeng mobile, pwedeng land-based, ganyan. During the training, Filipino and American personnel collaborated to detect, track, and engage aerial targets. So yung training nila, inaano nila kung paano ma-engage ang aerial target. Relying in particular on the Spider system, now central asset of Philippines ground-based air defense alongside other allied defense platforms. Designed to provide mobile and responsive protection in the Spider system is capable of intercepting aircraft, helicopter, drones, and cruise missile. So yung Spider na missile po natin na galing sa Israel ay capable po siya sa ma-intercept ang aircraft, aeroplano, helicopter, drone, and mga cruise missile. Reinforcing airspace security in strategically sensitive area. So, kung saan naman nilagay nila itong Spider missile natin ng Philippine natin, ang forces ay hindi po natin alam, secret po yan. So itong pong Spider, developed by Rafael Advanced Defense System with support from Israel Aerospace Industries. The Spider surface-to-air Python and thereby is a mobile air defense system designed to protect both static sites and maneuvering force. Equipped with Python 5 infrared guide missile and thereby active radar-guided missile. The system offers modularity and rapid engagement capabilities and multi-target tracking under all weather conditions available in Spider SR and Spider MR version. It provides interception range up to 40 to 80 kilometers with interception speed reaching Mach 4, mabilis, mounted on heavy-duty truck. So, For the variant, the same radar employed by Israeli Iron Dome system, this radar missile combination enable extended surveillance and rapid reaction to both spectrum of aerial threats. In the Philippines, the Air Force acquired tatlo pong Spider MR batteries as part of Strategic Air Defense Modernization Program. Tatlong battery po yan ng nasa Philippines na na-acquired natin sa Israel. Aim at enhancing national security capabilities in volatile regional environment. Two batteries designated as Spider, Philippine Air Defense System, SPADS, were formally integrated to the 160th Air and Missile Defense Group in November 2022, with the third battery delivered in November 2024. And a launcher mounted on Tatra T815-7 high mobility truck and provide rapid deployment and protect critical infrastructure and threats such as armed drones, tactical aircraft. So, yung Spider missile natin na na-accord natin sa Israel ay tatlong batteries po yan. So, last year, 2024, na-deliver na po yung pangatlo. So, yun ang ginagamit ngayon ng Philippine Air Force natin, Philippine Armed Forces natin with the US Armed Forces kung paano ang pag-operate and ang proper. So, nagginamit po ngayon yan sa Balikatan 40, 2025 ngayon. Buwan to, last week. So, nag-start po sila, hindi pa natatapos ang balikatan nila. Po, yung Spider, kailangan po talagang matutunan natin mabuti kung paano. Kasi kung ano mga threat ng aircraft or drone o ano pang mga dyan sa airspace, ma-frame agad. So, yun pong Spider na missile na yan ay pwede po yan sa truck, mobile po siya. So, pwede siyang isla na launching or depende po. So, may radar po yan. So, basahin po natin ang characteristic niyan kung ano ba talaga yung Spider missile na binili natin sa Israel. Spider SR and Spider ER 360 Islam Launching Missile System. Pwede po pa ganun ang launching niya. Mag-launch siya, ganun. Provide quick reaction and lock on before launch and lock on after launch. Capabilities while extending the range of defense up to 40 km radius. So, 40 km po ang radius niyan. Spider MR and Spider LR offer medium and long range target interception through vertical launch, while pushing the defense envelope up to 80 km. So 80 km pong radius niya. Both system enable at 360 degrees launch. With the seconds of target being declared hostile, and provide all-weather multi-launch and net-centric capabilities. So, the Spider system have advanced ECCM capabilities and use electro-optical observation payload as well as wireless data link communication. So, itong type niya ng Spider, short and medium range air defense system. So, pang air defense system lang talaga siya. Kung saan galing po itong Spider, place of origin, Israel, country of Israel. Ginamit po ito nung Russian War, Georgian War, Pakistan, maraming nagamitan ito. Ang designer po nitong Spider is Rafael Advanced Defense System. Ang manufacturer po niya ay Rafael Advanced Defense System. Na-produce ito noong 2005 up to present ngayon. So yung variant po niya, anong klaseng mga Spider missile ito. So, merong Spider SR, Spider MR, and Spider LR. Parang nabili natin itong Spider MR at Spider LR eh. So, ang mass niya, yung specification niya, ang isa is 105 kg o 131 pounds, Python 5. 180 kg and 260 pounds, Derby. Ang length niya, ang haba niya po, ang length ng missile is 3.1 meter or 10 feet to sa Python 5. Sa Derby niya, niya, 3.62 meter or 11 feet. Ang diameter po niya is 160 mm. Ang wingspan niya is 640 mm. Ang warhead niya yung nasa dulo, yung warhead, 11 kg or 24 pounds. Sa Python po yan. For sa Derby is 23 kg. Ang detonation niya may mechanism, active laser and electromagnetic proximity fuse with backup impact fuse. Ang main armament niya times 4 Python 5 or by missile in any combination per MAPU. Operational is 5.40 km or 25 mile. Derby is 80 km. Mas taas itong kilometer ng Derby. Flight altitude niya, ang taas ng flight niya. Ng missile is 5,000, Python 5 is 9,000 millimeter meter and 30,000 feet. 30,000 feet ang taas ng lipad po. Ang Derby is 60,000 or 50,000 feet. Mas mataas ang lipad ng altitude ng flight altitude ng missile ng Derby. Mabilis po ito. Maximum speed niya is Mach 4. Mach 2 nga mabilis na nga yun Mach 4, mabilis po ito. Kasi ang competition ng speed of, ng ganyan po, yung mga Mach 1, Mach 2, Mach 3, ang formula niya is speed of sound. Guidance system is infrared homing and electro-optical imaging. Active radar homing sa Derby. Launch platform, Tatra 817 truck, pwede sa truck, yung truck, malaking truck, 6-wheeler ba yan, 10-wheeler ba yan, Mercedes-Benz na truck or Actros truck, so depende kung ano mga truck nandito nakalagay. Naka-mount po yan sa mga truck. So the Spider is a low-level quick reaction surface to air missile strength, capable engaging aircraft. So, some din siya, surface to air missile din siya. So, kung target niya aircraft, may aeroplano, capable po siya. Kasi lumilipad din mo ng 50 feet altitude po, pwede mga helicopter, kusa, o kaya mga drone, cruise missile, and precision guided munition. It provides air defense for fixed assets and for point area defense for mobile forces in combat areas. The system is fitted atop of a truck, a Mercedes-Benz, Actros truck, MAN, TGS truck, Scania, P-Series truck, or Dongping truck. So, fitted po doon siya sa mga truck na sinabi niya. It implements the Python 5 and the missile on the same company. The Spider launcher is designed to Python 5 and Derby surface-to-air missile with shareable communality with the air-to-air missile. So, may dalawang variant pa lang Spider. There are two variants of Spider. At the Spider SR, yung po ng short range. Ang Spider MR, yung po yung medium range. Both system are quick reaction all-weather. So, maganda, all-weather siya. Network-centric multi-launcher and self-propelled. A typical battery consists of one central command and control unit, 6 missile firing unit, and the supply vehicle. So, nakapos dyan yung mga missile. Anong klaseng mga missile po yan? Yan po yung mga missile natin na na-acquire natin sa bansa ng Israel. Ngayon po ay ginagamit ngayon sa Balikatan 40-2025 dito po sa Zambales. So, nagkaroon ng balikatan. Ibig sabihin po ng balikatan is shoulder to shoulder. Balikatan. So, kabalikat natin ang Amerikano sa pagtitraining sa balikatan ngayon. So, ginamit natin yung na-acquire nating missile para matutunan kung paano talaga mapa-operate yan. Meron po tayong 3 battery ng Israeli missile na surface to air missile. Meron tayong MR, medium range, and long range missile. So, yung pong missile na yan ay para lang po yan sa pang-depensa ng bansa natin. If in case may mga threat, yan ang unang nandun sa ground. Pwede po yung immobile, dali ng truck kung saan ang area. So, movable po siya. Pwede siyang vertical o naka-slant ng pag-runs. So, maraming gamit po siya. So, na-acquired natin yan in 2022 sa Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program. Then, 2024, ang last delivery, pangatlong deliver ng 3 batteries. Pareho po din sa in-acquired natin na missile ng BrahMos sa India na na-deliver ng 2. Yung pangatlo ay wala pa. Baka next month uli. Na-deliver din yun. So, unti-unti na po tayong nakakaipon ng ating defense, mga missile, mga threats, mga aerial threats. So, maganda pong yan. Kasi kailangan talagang malaman din natin kung paano siya gamitin. So, kailangan na natin mga sundalo ng Force of the Philippines ay ang tamang training at mga capabilities ng mga missile na yan. So, na-explain na sa inyo ang mga characteristic ng Spider missile at kung saan ang galing, sino manufacturer niyan. So, yan po ay galing sa Israel. Na-acquired natin yan through Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program. So, hanggang doon na lang po siguro ma-share ko sa inyo para sa update ng Armed Forces of the Philippines regarding sa balikatan training nila ngayon dyan sa Zambales. Kung ano pang mga ibang update ay gagawin po natin ng video, gagawin po tayo ng search, isi-search po natin at paano kung may paliwanag sa inyo. At ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Armed Forces of the Philippines at sa mga subscriber, overseas Filipino workers. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you and good day.